Okay, good day. In this video, we will try to show you how to open or disassemble your Xbox 360 Model S or Slim S with just a few simple tools. First, you need a small fine tip flathead screwdriver and a pen. In this case, I'm using a pointed tool that looks like a pen. Okay, you can follow the following steps. On the top, put your screwdriver in between the plastic and the grills, the lip and the grills, and then pry from this corner. It should pop out easily. Okay. Once you get one corner, the other sides should come off easy. You'll put that aside and do the other side. We will remove the hard drive bay. Push this side, push this on the left, and pull it out. Then the other side, just push it up and take it off. Next, we will remove this top cover. First, we will take our flathead screwdriver and we will wedge it inside on the 6 tabs. Okay, we will start from here. While doing this, it is a good idea to pull from here, from this plastic. There. You will see that I've managed to pull the tab from there and create an opening. Sometimes this edge will come off too, so that makes your job easier. Next, I will flip it over and pry from this side. See, it's off. And then undo the other ones here. We'll start from here, from this side. Then last, it's hidden underneath this plastic. Okay. Then we will put that aside. Okay. Next is the top part. Again, almost the same idea. Put your hand somewhere between here so you can grab on the plastic better, and then start opening it up. From the middle, from this side, from the top part, and then the other middle part. Okay, then let's flip it over on this side and here. It's off. Here you can see the Wi-Fi adapter. It's plugged in there, but we will not be touching that now. Okay, we will start from here on this Wi-Fi side. Okay, you should be able to see 2 tabs from here. Okay, let's flip it over. Okay, flip it meaning the power supply port is at the bottom and the Wi-Fi adapter is here. Okay, we will pry these 2 together. Okay, and then the other one should open like that. Okay, next we will undo the other side. The purpose of the pen actually is to use it as a wedge, like that. And another thing for later. Then we'll take out this tab right here near the hard drive bay and pry it out. We can also take the pen from that side, or if you have another pen, that would be better. So it's in there already. Now there is a hidden tab on this area. Okay. Usually yours should have a hole already in here. So you can what you can do is push it down and this should open up. Okay. If not, you can try this. Put your screw in between here, and once you're in, or you push it a little further, and once you're about halfway through, make sure you're wedged here and this side is still open. Give it a gentle push, something like that, or maybe even softer, but that should push this tab and open or pop automatically. Okay. Next is just pull this bottom piece away, or you can undo the tabs each on the bottom. It's up to you. But it should come off easy. From here, you can do all sorts of things. You can open it up, clean the insides, but usually most people do this to disable the power button. And why is that? Because this specific model of the Xbox, the Slim S, uses a soft touch. So there's no physical button on the power button and the eject button. There's no physical button. It uses soft touch. Therefore, it is prone to electric interference, and that causes automatic shutdowns and other weird stuff like the DVD drive opening by itself. Okay, I'll show you real quick how to unplug the power button. Okay, let's put this aside, on the side, and I'll zoom a little for you. And from here, you should be able to see a soft ribbon cable, a flex cable. Okay, what you want to do is, let's try to get a better view. Okay, I'm not sure if that's clear, but we'll try. Anyway, there. You should see a flat, soft cable from here. Okay, so you want to push it up, okay, and move it away from the plastic. Okay, once that is out, push this lock up, undo the other side, and gently push it away. See? That flex cable is no longer connected. And your power button is now disabled. You can normally, you can now turn off your Xbox via the controller, which is more convenient. To put it back, just snap it back on. Do the sides again. It should snap up real nice. And put it all back. Everything should snap properly. There. Put the top piece. You can only put this one way. There should be two plastic locks on the other side. And push it down. Then let's do the other side. Make sure you don't flip it. The bigger hole should go on the hard drive bay. You can realign this. Yeah, there we go. And the cover and your hard drive cover.